Hi, my name's Dan, and this video is one in a series of using materials in Unreal. And in this one, we're just going to do a quick tour of the materials editor. So I've just got a standard third-person template here with the starter content, and I'm just going to navigate into one of the materials in that content. A nice pulsing one here, and that brings up the materials editor. So here we go. In the center, as is often the case for Unreal editors, there's a graphical display which we can use nodes and wires similar to the scripting system to put together materials. And the rest of this series will talk about how to do that, how to make materials that you want. On the right hand side over here, we've got a palette of possible nodes that we can bring into our material. So, for example, that one, I can drag and drop it into there. You can also access these nodes, of course, by right-clicking, and you get the box coming up there. And across the top, there's some tools. There's a really important one over here, which is the Apply button. So that button is what you need to click once you've made some changes to your material to make it apply to any objects in the world that your material is being applied to. So this is kind of the equivalent to compile in the Blueprint class editor. Beneath that, we've got the preview, so you can see the material in action. When you make changes, it can take a couple of seconds for this preview to catch up, so be patient with it. You've got some different things you can do in terms of how this is displayed, and kind of useful ones are the lit and unlit and stuff, etc. There. And at the bottom, we've got a choice of object that you can use for where the material is displayed on. So, depending on what you want after your material, you might want to be displaying on different things. Further down there on the left-hand side, there's the details pane. So when we don't have anything selected, that just gives us general details about the material. If we select a node, that gives us some choices to do with the node. And finally, oh yes, if we select the output node, it gives us the general details of the node, the material as well. Finally, at the bottom here, we've got some text output, which is to do with the computational expense of that material. So, there we go. That's a quick look at all the elements that are there. There's a few tools here I haven't talked about, but this is meant to be a quick tour. So that's it from me for now.